Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Ipsy. Very cute bag this month. It has a little airplane for a zipper and it says escape. Oh, I guess I should go through the ones that came on the outside first. So I did get a brush, number 201. It's just a blending brush. So that came on the outside, and then I also got vegan approved British Rose Hydrating Mask. That was way too big to put in the bag, so it came on the outside. And there's two of these. And they both look like full sheet masks. This one is for rough skin, dryness, tired skin. And this one is for extremely dry skin, oil moisture imbalance, and uneven texture. So pretty cool. And inside the bag, there's a card for July 2020. It says take a break. And they stopped putting all the products on there, which I kind of don't like. I liked seeing the products and the names and stuff on there, but it is what it is. So my next three products are Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. I have had this before. I really like it. It's a liquid eyeliner. It's waterproof. It has a really fine point, which I love. So I'm happy to have that. Also have Tell Me Your Wish. This says Fresh Herb Hand Cream. So we'll see what that smells like. It's nice and absorbs well. Kind of don't like the smell of it though. Can't quite place it. It kind of smells like, reminds me of old women. Like old lady smell. Let's see. I don't really see anything that's jumping out of what that smell might be. So not sure, but it's a little sample. I can always use it and just to get rid of it. Ooh, this is by Ciate London, and this is a Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. So I'm very interested in that. I do have a watermelon face lotion. It looks like this, and it smells amazing. So I wonder if this is going to smell like that. Yeah, it kind of does. It has a light watermelon scent. That's awesome. So happy to have that. These are all things I will use. So good bag this month. It used to be $10 a month, but they raised the price a little bit, but still a good deal. You get well worth the money that you pay for it. If you guys are interested, I'll put all their information below in the description box and a link if you want to sign up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.